Hi, it's Tim at enginefactory.com here. We just built this beautiful 350 Chevrolet 440 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1986 GMC Sierra. Go over some of the highlights on our engine build. We started with a late model 4-bolt main block, one-piece rear main seal. Engine block is painted to black with the brass freeze plugs in there. Correct oil pan for the 86 GMC Sierra. Aluminum cylinder heads are on there. We have the Taylor ignition wires, made in USA, all the wire markers on there. Roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set. It's really nice, TIG welded, polished aluminum valve covers with the air cleaner on there with a washable filter. Aluminum intake manifold, thermostats in there, thermostat housing with 2 water coolant ports if needed. We have the Holley carburetor on there, 750 CFM carburetor, throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket. We have the HEI distributor in there, correct distributor for the 86 GMC. Manifold vacuum fittings installed for any vacuum hookups if needed. Correct automatic flex plate for the customer's transmission, proper tooth count and balance, the 350 Chevrolet. High torque mini starter, chrome dipstick and tube, PCV ventilation line, heavy duty Russell line, electric choke wire. We have all the chrome fuel lines, heavy duty Russell fuel line, inline gas filter there, high flow fuel pump. It's beautiful Wraptor serpentine pulley kit, heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt, AC compressor, self-tensioning belt tensioner on here. High flow reverse rotation water pump, 160 amp 1-wire hookup alternator. GM Type 2 power steering pump. We supply the power steering line kit and the remote reservoir for the customer. Every engine is live run and fully tested at the engine factory. You're going to get a video of your engine running in a stand. You're going to see the manifold vacuum reading, water temperature, oil pressure cold and hot. We set the idle mixer screws, dial them in, balance them out, set the idle, set the ignition timing. The engine is completely dialed in, turnkey, drop-in, ready to go. When you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Thanks for watching.